Seoul, the vibrant capital of South Korea, is a city that masterfully blends the ancient with the modern. When you visit, you will be greeted by towering skyscrapers alongside historic temples, offering a unique glimpse into the country's rich history and innovative spirit. Let's explore some of the must-see attractions and activities that will make your trip unforgettable. One of the top destinations in Seoul is Gyeongbokgung Palace. As the largest of the 5 grand palaces built during the Joseon dynasty, it offers a stunning architectural experience and deep insight into Korea's royal heritage. Visitors can witness the changing of the guard ceremony, stroll through beautifully manicured gardens, and explore the National Palace Museum of Korea located on the palace grounds. Don't forget to try on a traditional hanbok, available for rent nearby, to immerse yourself fully in the royal experience. For a taste of modern Seoul, head to Dongdaemun Design Plaza, commonly known as DDP. This architectural marvel, designed by world-renowned architect Zaha Hadid, is a hub of fashion, design, and culture. Here, you can visit exhibitions, participate in design workshops, or simply enjoy the futuristic ambience of the space. The surrounding area is also famous for its vibrant night market, where you can indulge in a variety of street food delights, from spicy TTEOKBOKKI to sweet hot dog. Shopping enthusiasts will find their paradise in Myeongdong, one of Seoul's busiest shopping districts. This area is a mix of global fashion brands, Korean cosmetics, and local boutiques. Strolling through Myeongdong, you'll encounter colorful shops and bustling street vendors selling everything from trendy apparel to delicious snacks. Be sure to try the legendary Korean fried chicken and visit one of the many skincare shops offering unique beauty products that have taken the world by storm. Finally, no trip to Seoul would be complete without a visit to Nansan Tower, also known as N-Seoul Tower. Standing atop Nansan Mountain, this landmark offers panoramic views of the city, especially breathtaking at sunset. You can hike up the mountain through scenic trails or take a cable car for a more leisurely approach. Once at the top, consider locking a love padlock on the designated fence, a popular tradition among couples. Seoul is a city that never ceases to amaze, combining history, culture, shopping, and stunning vistas. Whether you are exploring ancient palaces, indulging in street food, or enjoying breathtaking views from the tower, there are endless opportunities to create unforgettable memories. So pack your bags and get ready to experience all that this dynamic city has to offer.